Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got this Stihl BG55 leaf blower in the shop. It's boggy. It's got fresh fuel in it because I put it in. It does run, it doesn't rev up to speed, and it's very quiet. So let me demo how it runs. On. Should be running faster than that. So what's really interesting about the Stihl is a lot of these machines have a filter in the muffler that can be removed. Just a quick shot of that before it gets way too hot. That's not the right socket at all. There we go. I've already had this one loose, so it's just kind of sitting there. Oh, it's hot already. At the top there, that's a screen. It's a metal mesh. It's very hot. We're gonna stick it in the vise, we're gonna hit it with a torch, and we're gonna burn all that carbon and crap off of there. There you go, you guys are pretty well zoomed in. We're just gonna burn that off there with a torch. You don't want crazy high heat. You don't want to melt the thing. Enough to turn it red. We'll turn all that carbon and unburnt oil to ash, and then we'll just quickly brush it off. Real gentle, like with a wire brush. Gentle. Go too hot, you'll melt the thing. You don't want to do that. A little more heat down the base there and see if we can get that a little hotter down there. See it's turning white on the top now? It's just turning to ash. That's easily removed now. Okay, so now we're just gonna give it a little gentle brushing with a wire brush. Get rid of that ash. You coming off of there? Very gentle. Basically a plug muffler. I can see through it now. And it's still very hot. Got a pair of pliers and we'll get it back over there and thread it in. I don't know if that's going to focus. There you go. Now you can see through it. That's better. Let's get it back in the machine and thread it in there and see how it runs. Don't touch it, it's hot. That may not be the only problem, but this is one problem. You start with the easy stuff first. I don't know if I want to touch that. Ooh, that's enough. You start with the obvious stuff first. I may still need to do carb work on it, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. Good and snug. Survey says it's better. Gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll get the mixture set. Definitely runs better. That's a low speed. I'm adjusting the low speed so it doesn't bog when you hit the throttle. Get the air filter in there because sometimes it makes a difference in the tuning. High speed was already set all the way rich, and that's where we're leaving it. But I can actually hear the exhaust now. It was very quiet before, couldn't even hear it. Call that one fixed. Just a muffler, plugged up. This runs pretty good now. Quick video, guys. Sometimes it's just simple. Thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give that bell a dingle. It'll let you know when I upload new videos. Leave a comment down below. Until the next one, take care.